We got a brand new 2025 M3 Competition with the sick gray color on there. It's got the red interior, carbon bucket seats, and we're doing something really sweet. We got full titanium Gexhaust system. This is the system I've been telling you about all over Instagram. We're sponsoring pretty much every supercar, every new BMW, Mercedes, AMG, M-Car. This is the system that we're providing. It's a full titanium catback. This system usually retails for about $7,000, $8,000. We're doing it for a fraction of the price, guys. Cars like this need systems like that. So we're gonna rack this thing up. We're gonna slap this system on there. Gexhaust valve control, full titanium catback on this brand new 2025 M3 Competition. So we're in the BMW. This is the M3, brand spanking new. Got the Kith keychain. Shout out to Kith, Ronnie, killing it. M Performance key lock with the carbon fiber trim on there. This does have a carbon fiber trim all throughout the car. It's got carbon fiber buckets on there with the red interior. The thing is awesome, man. I mean, M3 Competition, spec'd out to the T, and we're slapping the titanium system on there, so it's gonna be pretty sick. It sounds like shit right now. We're gonna give you some revs. Stock system on these cars are really shitty, very restrictive, bunch of resonators, restrictive muffler, and I'm gonna basically rev it right now for you guys so you guys can hear what the stock setup looks like. But yeah, this is the interior. M patch on the shift knob with the M stitching. Looks sick, man. New dashboard, 2025s all come with that. And yeah, brand new M3 Competition. So we got the beamer on the lift. This is the stock system. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of what the stock setup on these G80 M3s look like. Stock muffler comes with the black tips because it does have the night package on there. It does have the valve in the back. The stock muffler is completely restrictive. We're unplugging it. We're dropping this system. So the two valves on the back basically opens and closes in M1 and M2 mode. If you want it in sport mode all the time, just hit that M2 button. The thing wakes up. So stock, all BMWs have that valve control. All M cars have that valve control. We're upgrading it today for that titanium system we showed you guys earlier. All 3-inch piping, does have some crushes in the piping for clearance purposes. 1 resonator, 2 resonators, more restriction, all right? Not a big fan of those. We're gonna amplify it by doing the midsection in titanium, and does come with an X pipe for equalization to smoothen out the sound. Most guys come in with this car, they want a little bit more noise. We sell them this midsection, pop an X pipe on there. It works, it's a great setup. Most common setup we run on these brand new G80s. So if you have an M3, M4, even the M2, same exact setup. These exhausts are all the same, all right? So if you have a G80, you have an M2, M3, M4, you're looking for a little bit more noise, we highly recommend, you know, you don't have to spend on a full catback. You can just amplify the sound by doing the resonator delete, popping an X pipe on there for equalization purposes, and then amplifying the tone to the stock muffler. So valve control still works, and you still get all that kind of BMW technology to, you know, deaden some of that sound inside the cabin, which is pretty sweet. So and continues up to here. You do have some stock hangers, and basically the catback is from here back, and yeah, we're slapping it on there today, guys, so stay tuned. So we got the system installed. Step 2 is install the wiring box. This is a valve controller. As you can see, it says Gexhaust on it. This is a Gexhaust system. It does come with the M Performance carbon fiber tips, which is pretty sweet. Customer didn't want just regular stainless black, so we offered them a carbon fiber option, which is pretty sweet. Usually you don't get that option when it comes down to all these other catbacks. At Gexhaust, we give you a little bit more customization. We give you the carbon fiber. You could go blue inserts, stainless inserts, but the carbon fiber matches the rest of the car. This guy does have carbon fiber wings, carbon fiber lips inside the car. Hasn't installed them yet, but we gotta do some wiring. We're taking apart this trunk, pop the wires, connect the valves, and then he's gonna have a sick ass remote to control the exhaust, which is pretty badass. So Gexhaust valve box, installing it now. So that's the BMW M3 Competition X-Drive. Thing is an absolute beast. The G80 body. Love this car with the perfect color, that gray, Nardo gray or whatever the hell you want to call it. It's got the black trim. He does have a bunch of carbon fiber stuff coming in. He should be, you know, matching the mirrors that he's got. Rear wing carbon, side skirts in carbon, rear diffuser, maybe a front lip. Hopefully that carbon fiber grille looks pretty badass on these cars. And yeah, man, that's the titanium Gexhaust valve control system. Sounds like a dream. The customer is going to be so damn happy. We're going to shoot some rollers when he pulls up. He's going to be excited as hell to drive it. Also, this is one of those sponsored vehicles, right? So we got him a $6,000 system for almost half the price. You cannot beat that, guys. We set this guy up with a full titanium catback. Like I said, usually about $6,000. Comes with an X pipe, comes with a mid pipe, valve control mufflers, got the remote to control it. You can go quiet to stock, and you can open it up and make it sound like a full race car, which is badass. So that system does make about 25 horsepower, which is sick. Also, it's a quarter of the weight of the stock system, so you're saving about 30 pounds, which is unreal. You really cannot get that out of a stainless catback. Titanium is definitely the way to go if you're looking for weight management. And this car right here, X-Drive, all-wheel drive M3. Next upgrade, probably an air intake, maybe some downpipes and a tune. He has that kind of lined up with his buddy, so hopefully he gets it done, brings it back. We'll get some new revs from you guys. So stay tuned. We're going to do some rollers. And if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in a system like this, hit us up, guys. Gexhaust, Davey, Gexhaust, Oakland Park. My number's pretty much everywhere. If you got any questions, hit us up. We out.